Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Ethereum. Ethereum USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Recently I found in Twitter some interesting posts about price action of Ethereum. So what is it? So we get impulse, high, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. What's happened recently? It's a weekly time frame, guys. What's this pattern about, guys? Take a look how we form the impulse and the stop it in a zone of distribution, get reaction, just a few cents, few dollars, not hit the all-time high. And I believe it's just a matter of time when we're gonna hit the 6K825. So from the bottom it will be like 675%. If you believe in a higher price targets, it can be like 1000% to 9K991. So this is my targets for Ethereum. Also, what do we start forming now? Maybe we form the head and shoulder, because the head and shoulder is not always like looks beauty. Maybe this one. So this inverse head and shoulder. Right, so the size of this head and shoulder should be, let's count, just approximately, just an average, right? Bam, around 7K. Still not 10, right? Anyway, so I believe in a new all-time high for Ethereum, but with conservative price targets like 6K800, 7. So I don't believe in 10K for this run. A lot of people start posting now they continue to post these videos, even here, no matter what happened in the market, all the time. That guy's bullish, that guys get an infinity budget, they use DCA all the time, they always profitable, guys. The crypto space is so foolish. That's why that content at least attractive. My content not attractive because we can see it on views. So a lot of posts you will see soon about a 15K, 20K, even I don't know, 50K for Ethereum, because some partnerships, some adoption, some funds start accumulate aggressively, some crazy trillions liquidity will inflow into Ethereum and all of this stuff, guys. You can check what the Katie would talk about a BTC here. What all of these gurus talk about Ethereum and a BTC in November 21, and understand the sentiment on your feet, what you will see really soon. So let's take a look. I hope we will not drop to the 3K283. I think we just go in consolidation, go higher. So just maybe 1 week more consolidation and go higher. Technically, I formed the touch. We can drop to 3K800 in September, for example. Possible to retest it, right? It looks like one global range. So nothing basically special. Let's go back to the weekly. We got a signal to sell. Of course, the main signal was on the smaller time frames, right? Take a look, respect the level. It was sell, 12 time frame. Confirmation to sell, 4 time frame, even better. This one, and if you found the entry on a position, so it could be like here, the average. So you accumulate a position, like with let's say 3%, 4% stop loss, you could catch like 10% down. With cycle average, it's 6% stop loss and 20% profit. So the crazy scenario, of course, guys, it's if we drop to test that hypothetical line, like 3K860 or 3K659 to test 61, like a fake out. Maybe. I don't think so, guys. This is the end of cycle, because at least we need to sweep the high, sweep the liquidity. I don't think so. We're going like this one into the bear market. No. I think the bullish October and November, we'll see really soon. So trade on, I can delete it. So let's double check ADZ, guys, direction. Kind of nice one, kind of nice, crazy divergence, guys, we form it. So take a look, the craziness at the middle of June, even by end of June, was a 3K 859, and we formed the new high, new high, yes, not all-time high, and we formed the crazy divergence, guys. That's why maybe we will see something like this one. I don't know. Maybe here, this is the beginning of October, and another top and another drop on ADZ. If we check on the weekly time frame here, step by step, the whales prepare themselves to out of Ethereum here. The same story been here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks preparation, drop, sales, and after that, anyway, we dump it lower. That's why, yeah, so maybe we're gonna form the biggest divergence now, guys. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to under 3K. No makes sense because we don't have time. We don't have a time, I guess, to drop to Ethereum under 3K, and after that, push it back again to the new all-time high. It's need to see the extended in time cycle. I don't think so. We have a time for that. So main accumulation was here, like you remember, this is accumulation. So now we're in distribution zones. And the size of that distribution, the same like it was here in May 21. Nice one. Monthly time frame, guys. Still accumulation. Still middle zone. And one more, guys. One more divergence. What I would like to see. I wish to see something like this one and the variance on the chart. So this is a direction, no signal to sell on the monthly yet. Take a look the other one. Markets more on monthly. This is a trail. Yes, at the beginning of trail. Over that, the hype of May 21. Nice one. Almost the same hype like it was in November 21. So not so much time we still have for the last impulse. Here was a crazy capitulation and recover back to the A3A again. You can use this set, guys, and scroll it down with the reply bar to double check how it works on a history. Take a look. The money power. Money in was in March, 1K754. Now, step by step, the whales fix a profit. I think we will see some consolidation, new high, and new money outflow. Monthly time frame, still no fixation. Here's was a fixation, but take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row fixation. 1, 2, 3 months fixation. Now we at the top, no fixation yet. So it's good, it's bullish. And the last one, guys, indicator is take profit monthly. Yes, of course, we trade way over exit line. So I think we will see the last impulse to the top. And after that, correction to the buy line. Buy line on the monthly now is 1K92. So maybe in the next bear market, we're going to drop to that levels. I don't think so. We're going to drop on a wheel time frame to the buy line. Now it's around 2K. I don't think so. Don't have enough time for that. Here, logically, to see the test of take profit line above, it's like close the daily gap, like 4K131, and maybe even test that interior downtrend line, like 3K630. Everybody will start talking about its end, and it's gonna be the good time to move in the right direction again. Take profit, like you can see the lines still move forwards. 4K871, exit line 5K488. Everything still in play, guys. We can trade a long time period in this area, so it can be like this one, right? And going down. Form like usual head and shoulder and going down to the bear market. So guys, I think we will see another impulse to the new all-time high on Ethereum. We will see another total madness euphoria on the altcoins. We will see the BTC dominance around 50% or I don't know, maybe even 48, for example. Ethereum BTC trading pair to mine targets. Everything maybe will be till end of this year. Who knows? Or spring 2026. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Ethereum. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I would show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.